Hello friends and welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. So like you all know that previously on we have started a new tutorial series of C++ and in that we have covered many of the videos. Like previously on we were just working on variables, that we have seen how you can use identifiers, then constants, and I have also telling you about variables and variables example, and I hope you enjoyed that video. But in this video we'll be learning that what is user input in C++, how you can use user inputs, what are the examples of user inputs. In this video I will be telling you everything which a beginner needs to learn when they are working with user inputs in C++. So I hope you'll be enjoying this video from start. So if you enjoy and if you understand this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing, hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of all my coming up videos which I'll be uploading on this channel. And also share this video so more people can learn that how we can start with C++ if we are a beginner, and if we don't know that what is C++ and how to start with that. So now what we are waiting for, let's move to computer screen and let's get started. So like I've told you in the start that in this video I'll be telling you that what are user input in C++ and how you can use user input. So now let's get started. If I move to paragraph, it says me that you have already learned that cout is used to output print values. Like if you want to use this cout function, so you have to use it to output print values like we have learned in the previous video. Now we will use cin to get user input. Like if you want to get user input on your output, so you have to use this syn tag, which is a predefined variable that reads data from the keyboard with the extraction operator. Means this syn is a predefined variable that reads the data from keyboard with the extraction operator, which is really amazing thing. In the following example, the user can input a number which is stored in the variable x. Then we print the value of x. So you can give any of the variable name, like in example they are giving the variable name as x, and now when they are giving the variable name as x, so the cout function is having a question that type a number. So user will be typing a number obviously. Then after typing the number, user will be getting this syn and this x variable here, and then cout your number is to jo number, so which number you have written is you will be getting that here after when you write the number in this type a number. So this is the thing. And if I move down here, so you will be getting creating a simple calculator. So we will be also creating a simple calculator using user input in C++. Like in this example, the user must input two numbers, then we print the sum by calculating adding the two numbers. Example, in it is a, you can say, a variable, and in this variable we have stored two values which is x and y. Then we have created another variable which says sum of these two values. So when you will be writing that type a number, so when you will typing the number, then this cout will be coming here, means this syntax will be coming with this variable, and then cout will again ask to the user that type another number. Then when you will be typing another number, so this syn which we have created a new variable here, it will be asking the y to add the number. Then when you will be adding two values, so the sum equal to x plus y, then they will be adding, means these variables will be adding these two values, this user input will be adding these two values of x, y which we have written. Then after adding these two values, you will be getting the sum here in this sum is. Then here, there you go, you just build a basic calculator, and that is the thing. Then if you want to learn about IOStream complete, so you can learn here, but we are not working with IOStream right now, so that is why I'm just giving you the example of user input. Like if I copy these all things here and if I just paste it in my browser, like if I create a include IOStream, but before that I'll be changing the name of my title, because in this video we are learning about user input. So I'll be writing user input in C++ like this, then I'll be pressing enter. You can now just see that our REPL has been created with the name of user input in C++. Now what I'm going to do is I'll be just creating first of all the starting codes of C++ like we get. So I'll be writing hashtag include IOStream. So here we have to write like this, hashtag include IOStream. Then I will be writing here using namespace std. So here I'll be writing using namespace std. Then I'll be writing init main, and then I'll be just moving down and pasting all these things here. So you can just see we are getting an integer which says x, then we are getting a cout value which says type a number. So you can type a number here. Then it says this syn value is not working, so it is saying me that syn equal to x. Then in the end is saying count value again, cout value, and then it says your number is, so when you will be writing the number, you will be getting it here. Now we have to check that we are getting the output correctly or not. So what I'm going to do is I'll be simply saving this. So after saving these all things, you have to run it here. After running, you can just see we are getting here a tag which is saying us that type a number. So I'll be typing a number as 2, and now here we have typed the number as 2, so that is why it is saying us that your number is 2, because you have written same value which says in x, and that is why when you have written x here, so the number will be same which you have written in x, and that is why when we written 2, so number is coming same as 2. Now if we want to create a basic calculator here in C++, so how you can create it. So these are some examples that like this you can create it. Just copy these all things here. Then if I move on to my browser and if I paste these things like this, so you can just see we have created a simple thing. Like first of all, we have created two integers. One integer says the value is, first value is x, and second integer says the second value which you will be writing, means the first number is x and the second number which user will be adding will be y. Then we will be adding another variable which says init sum. Init sum means it will be adding these two values. So count type a number means user will be adding his first number which will be the x value. So when user will be adding his x value, so after that he will be getting his value, then he will be getting another tag or another function which says type another number. So user will be adding his y value. Then after adding the x and y value, then user input will be adding the x and y value which you have written in these two numbers, and after adding these two numbers you will be getting your sum of the numbers. If you have added plus here, so you will be getting the sum by plussing these two numbers. If you have added minus, so you will be getting the answer after minusing the numbers. If you are adding multiplication, so you can get the answer by multiplying those numbers, but if you're adding division, so you will be getting the numbers divided by those numbers. So now what I'm going to do is I'll be just saving it and I'll be running to check what we are getting the output. So it is saying me that type a number, like I will be writing 5. Then the second number which I'll be writing here is 2. So if I add 5 plus 2, so it is 7. So now we have to get the answer as 7. Press enter. You can just see now it is showing me sum is 7. Now if you add here, like if you add multiply, so you will be now getting two numbers which will be multiplying with each other. Now if I add 5, then if I add 5 again, so 5 multiplied by 5, it is 25. So we should get the output as 25. Press enter. You can just see now we are getting sum is 25. So like this you can use this C++ values and user inputs, and I hope you understand that what are user inputs in C++, how you can use user inputs in C++. Like this sin value which we have used, this is first user input which we have used in this video. And using this user input, we have created a simple calculator, and I hope you enjoy this video from start, in which we have created a simple calculator in C++. So if you have enjoyed this video, if you understand this amazing project which we have created in this video of tutorial series, so remember to hit a like to this video. And if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe. And after subscribing, hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of all my coming up videos which I'll be uploading on this channel, so you can see all my videos. And also share this video so more people can learn and they can understand if we want to start these all things, so how we can do that, and they can also learn about these amazing tutorial videos which I am giving you through this channel. So just support me like this. I'll be giving more videos like that, because if you subscribe, if you like the video, it gives motivation to me, and if it gives motivation to me, then I'll be creating more videos like that, more things. And in coming up videos, I'll be also creating some projects using C++ which will be helping you, so that you can also create your own program, own software, own website, own web page, like these all things. So just like, subscribe, share this video, and I'll be meeting you in the next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorial videos of C++. So for today, goodbye.